Here's how to log out of all devices on Facebook. Now, I have my Facebook app open on my iPhone as well as my Android, so I can walk you through the exact steps on both phones. However, I'll also walk you through the steps if you're on a computer as well. Now, of course, just open up the Facebook app. You can see on my iPhone and Android, at the bottom right there is the menu button. However, if you see three lines at the top left, just tap on those. Or if you're on a computer, you'll see your profile at the top right, just tap on that. So I'm going to tap on the profile/menu button here. From here, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. And then tap on Settings at the top. Now that we're in your settings, let's choose See More in Accounts Center. And then next we'll choose Password and Security midway down. Scroll down from here until you get to the Security Checks section and tap on Where You're Logged In. Of course, this is for Facebook, so tap on your Facebook account, and you'll be able to see all of the devices where you're logged in. You can see my iPhone 16 Pro and Samsung Galaxy Android phone. Let's tap on Select Devices to log out, and then on here, we'll choose which devices we want to log out. Let's say this iPhone that I last logged in April. Or you can choose Select All at the top right if you wanted to log out of all of them. When you're ready to go, just tap the Logout button, just like that, and it will log you out of that device, but keep you logged in on any device that you do want to stay logged in on. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too, and thanks for watching.